Sheeza.
Hi!
Welcome to our vlog. What are you trying to show us?
So we're going to show the stuff we got from Target
Yay!
and Walmart.
Yeah, from the gift money from your birthday.
Yeah. My birthday was 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. Okay, so show us. What did you get?
First, I got a watch.
Yay!
So it shows the steps I can do.
Yeah,
So
just like Mom's watch.
I have a call notification, hydrate reminder, message notification, alarm, remote music player, sleeping monitor, find phone, and multi-sports mode.
Wow. It's so cool. And it
I
was
can
on sale for
exercise
like
with my mom.
$7.
I know.
Wow. It's
Oh,
usually
more.
it's like $30.
There's more.
Wow.
So it's touchscreen.
Okay, what's
so
next?
they-
Let me see.
Okay.
Wow, look, it's so
Look
cool.
on the back. The
Yeah.
stuff you want to see better, they're on the side.
Yeah.
Not on top.
Okay. What's next?
Okay, let's put this here.
So,
Next is
guys, शीज़ा की बर्थडे पे जो उसको गिफ्ट मनी मिली थी, so उसकी वजह हाँ उसके अमाउंट से शीज़ा ने लिए हैं अपने लिए कुछ गिफ्ट्स. तो what's the next item?
this.
Oh,
From Tree Hut.
it's the body scrub.
Body scrub. Every time I'm in the shower, I use it.
Yeah.
Every time we finish one, we buy another one.
Yes.
The one upstairs in the shower finished. The second time I used it was like almost empty.
I know. Who's been using it a lot?
Probably
Your sissy.
using it a lot. The old one. Because the second time I used it, it was little, almost empty.
Oh my goodness. It's okay.
Okay. So next up is Tree Hut.
Yeah.
A rainbow
Sorbet.
sorbet.
Sorbet. Okay. What's next?
Put it here. The Ahmao Meow.
Wow.
This is the animal version.
Wow.
There's a panda, a giraffe, an elephant, a rainbow. I think it's like a butterfly.
So which one do you
A
hope
rainbow
that you get?
butterfly.
Which one do
there's
you
more.
think? Oh. Which one do you think you're gonna get?
I think I'm gonna get like the panda one, the elephant one, the this one, the
How
bee
many you
one,
gonna get in one? You're gonna get
or
only
I
one
think
in
this
one.
I think it's this one, two on both sides, this one or this one.
Okay, what's next?
Meow.
No, one final item.
Make sure you close your eyes.
Okay.
Oh, it's so big. Look. It's so big. I think she was knocked over.
She always wanted this, right?
A truck.
A truck as a jeep for her dolls.
Uh-huh.
Because she loves playing with
You know
dolls.
what? That's cool. It has seatbelts and vroom vroom.
Yeah.
I feel like
so
you can
ये
open
थी
the
आज की
truck.
हमारी haul. Hopefully आप लोगों को अच्छी लगी हो.
How pretty.
So
She's
after
so-
this, we're gonna show Pearlie's haul.
I forgot
Thank you
one
so much for
more thing.
watching.
Wait,
One more
guys,
thing.
I have one more.
Last item she got is the coffee. She
Coffee.
wanted it.
It's
Yay.
vanilla
It's vanilla.
frappuccino.
That's her favorite, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. So these are the all items. Next vlog is going to be Pearlie sharing her stuff that she got from Sheeza's gift money. Thank you,
And
Sheeza.
they said she only could get 2, and then she wanted 3, so I let her get 3, but then she got 4.
I know, but thank you
Oh,
so
my
much for
goodness.
sharing your gift money.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Don't
Bye.
forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.